Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
My name is Aditya Koga and I am science by combination, and in front of you I'm going to elaborate more about the skeleton. In the name of Allah, I begin. In front of you it is human skeleton. Skeleton, what is skeleton? Skeleton is the framework of tissue made up of wood to support the body. Skeleton, it is very important in human. For example, we can live without skeleton because through skeleton we can move. Skeleton enables us to move from one place to another. For example, I can move from one place to another with the aid of skeleton. Also, skeletons store minerals. Minerals like calcium and phosphorus are being stored in the skeleton. Hence, it is very important in our body. Skeleton is mainly divided into two parts, which is axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton, whereby axial skeleton is mainly divided into four. The first is skull, ribs, sternum, vertebral column. Skull, it is very important. As you can see above is the skull. Skull is a very important organ. It is made up of small bones joined together to form cranium. These tributaries bones here are known as cranium, which are joined together to form half the skull. It is very important since it prevents brain. Inside the skeleton there is presence of brain. And as you know that brain is very important. Brain enables us to think, enables us to do different things. Without brain we can't conduct anything. Hence, the skeleton will protect and prevent the brain from damage. Also, it prevents the middle, inner, and eyes. It prevents. Skeleton holds the ears. With the presence of skull, it holds ears, which enables to hear different voices in our environment. The second one is vertebral column. Vertebral column is the main axis of the body. Without vertebral column, as you can see, vertebral column is very important since without vertebral column we can't move. And I think many people know that. When you get an accident, and broke the backbone, which is known as vertebral column, you can't move. Also, you can't bend, since vertebral column enables in bending. This vertebral column is divided into five, which is cervical. Cervical are found here around the neck. They are 7 in number. There is thoracic vertebrae. These vertebrae are 12 in number and they are found on the chest region. And the third is lumbar. These are 5. They are found around the abdominal region. Here above are lumbar vertebrae. They are 5 in number. They are found in abdominal region. And fourth is sacral, found around the sacral region. And lastly is caudal. It is found on the tail. We humans possess tails. Everyone here possesses tails. But our tail is internal and not external like other organisms, for instance, grass. Hence, there is 4 vertebrae in caudal. There is 4 vertebrae in our tail, which is very important. Though it has no function, but God knows that. That's why He has kept it, and Allah is great. Also, there is presence of ribs. They are 12 in number, and these ones are known as floating ribs. These ribs are very important since they protect our heart from damage and all internal blood vessels, which are found within the ribs. And lastly, it's 2, which is forelimbs and hindlimbs. Here are the forelimbs and these ones are the hindlimbs. In forelimbs there is 4 parts. There is pectoral girdle, there is humerus, there is ulna and radius, there is carpals, metacarpals and phalanges. They are consist with the aid of carpals, metacarpals and phalanges. Carpals, they are 9 in number in a human being. No human being possesses 9 carpals, which enable the stretching of the wrist. I can do like this my hand with the aid of carpals which are here. As you can see above, here are the carpals. Also, there is presence of phalanges. Phalanges are very important since they form the structure of skeleton of the arm. Here, I can do like this my arm with the help of phalanges. And humerus, it is very also important since it touches the elbow. As you can see here, that is the humerus. It is attached to the elbow. And ulna and radius provide the hand muscle, provide the arm muscle. Yes, with the aid of ulna and radius, we can provide arm. And in hindlimbs, there is femur, there is tibia and fibula, there is carpals, there is tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Here is femur. Femur, it is very good since also it is attached to the knee. Also, it helps in the thigh. Here is the thigh, as you can see. This, with the presence of femur, I can do like this my thigh. And also, if, for example, you get an accident. When you get an accident, body, may Allah prevent us from such an accident. You can break your femur. When you break your femur, there is no connection here now, so you will not be able to walk. Maybe it can be on one leg or maybe in 2 legs, but it depends. And there is tibia and fibula. Tibia and fibula are attached to the knee, helping the position of the knee. Here is the knee, here is the knee. And there is tarsals, metatarsals, and phalanges. Tarsals help us to. Tarsals is attached to the ankle. Here is the ankle. I think everybody here has an ankle. Hence, it is very important. Tarsals is very important since my feet can move from one place to another with the aid of tarsals and phalanges, and lastly is phalanges. Phalanges enable in the formation of leg skeleton. And that is all. Thanks. And I need to thank you, my madam, my teacher of biology. I'm here in front of you because of her. Madam